aquarium, and a bird just pooped in my hair, bro. A bird just pooped in my hair. Alright guys, I hope everyone's having a good day today. Wow, that was not what I was trying to do. I hope everyone's having a good day today. It's about 12:09. I'm on my way to Megan's house. Today is gonna be a good day. I'm taking Megan on a date today. We're going to the Dallas Aquarium. We're gonna have a good time. She's been asking me to go for literally 3 months, so I'm finally gonna get around to taking her because I love her. And well, did I just say that? Yeah, I did. I love her. So yeah, we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna see lots of sharks and other aquatic animals. Yeah, today's gonna be a good day, regardless of what happens, or regardless of whether or not the aquarium is closed. I really hope it's open. I'm trying to see some sharks, man. But yeah, as you can see, I'm whipping the rental because I wrecked my car. So yeah, I'm whipping this hoe. It's a Nissan Versa, bro. It's nothing special, nothing too fancy, but you know, I'm out here flexing on these hoes. No, not really. But yeah, I'm whipping the Versa now. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys at Megan's house. Here's Megan. She always complains about not being in my videos. Oh my god. Oh, bro, I don't mind no look yet. Here. Wow, you look so cute. You look so cute. I love you. Now that Megan is finally ready to go, we're about to head to the aquarium, but I didn't tell her where we were going, so it's a surprise. You love me? Mm-hmm. I'm sorry, I didn't hear that. You love me?
Yeah, I love you.
Bro, you're so fine.
Thanks.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here now.
We're in the middle.
We're here. Walk a little bit more. We're here.
Aww.
There we go. Alright, so that was the trip to the aquarium. Megan, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. We lit. We out here. Now we're finna go do hood rat stuff with our friends.
Yep.
And it's illegal, so we can't show you. So we'll catch you in the next video. We out?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. We out.